Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to our video today in which we are going to show you how to plant canna lilies. So I love my canna lilies. I find that they have long-lasting flowers, beautiful tropical-like foliage, many different varieties, and they're just really easy care. And they attract pollinators, and I do have a quick clip of that for you. But I'm planting my canna lilies today, and that's because I live in planting hardiness zone 6B. So if you're in zones 8 and above, you can leave the rhizomes in the ground year round. But because I'm in Connecticut 6B, what I have to do is lift them in the fall and then store them for the winter and then bring them back out and plant them in the spring. So it's getting to be late spring and timing is important with these beauties. And then I'm just going to show you quickly how easy it is to plant them. So canna lilies, they come in different heights. So dwarf, 2 feet tall, or they can get up to 6 to 8 feet tall. So just make sure you check the height when you're ordering your canna lilies. If you have the taller ones like I do here, you would want to put them in the back of the garden. And they come in different colors, so flower colors, red, which I have here, yellow, peach, and a rosy color. And then they also come in some different foliage. So solid green, burgundy, bronze, or variegated. So I have a mix of green and some bronze, and I'm going to show you the bronze and how gorgeous it is. So they do need to be planted in full sun, and they love their well-draining soil. So they can't be sitting in wet soil and have really wet rhizomes. So they are more of a tropical plant. So well-draining is the key. And once you plant them, they do like consistent watering, but I have to admit something to you guys at home. They get pretty neglected in the spots that I put them in. I do have irrigation, but I don't give them regular watering. And actually the group here that I'm planting on the end is not going to get any of the water from the irrigation system. So they do great. So I just wanted to let all of you at home know that. So I'm bringing them out of storage, and this is what they look like. So you can see here, they're pretty beefy. And these are the eyes. These are the eyes poking up here. And they actually look like feet to me. But we do divide them in the fall. You can also divide them now if they're loose. Just kind of pull them apart a little bit, and you'll have some more babies. Or you can just go ahead and plant the large clumps. So we're going to do a little bit of both. And I've already dug some holes over here to my left. So I'm going to bring you over here and show you what I've done. So what you'll want is a hole that is about 6 to 8 inches deep. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean this out a little bit more here because the rhizomes are quite large. And then you want to plant them so the eyes facing up, and then the rhizomes are really horizontal, so they're laying down. So it's actually going to go just like this. And then you want to cover them with about 2 inches of soil. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Very easy to plant, easy care plant. So I am going to mulch my gardens, and the mulch will help with the water and moisture retention for the canna lilies, since I tend to neglect them. But go ahead and give them a nice water when you first plant them, because we are trying to wake them up here. So this is all going to be done late spring, early summer in my planting hardiness zone, because they like the warmer temps and they also like the warmer soil. So you do want to wait a little bit until the soil warms up, and they will be super happy. So I have quite a few canna lilies to plant, and P.S. we do have a video on lifting them in the fall, and you'll be so surprised when you lift them because they propagate like crazy. We have so many canna lilies that we plant them everywhere in the ground in containers and give a lot away to friends and family. So it's a pretty great investment. So that's it for today. I'm just going to spend some time enjoying my garden and planting my canna lilies. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because we love gardening and we have a lot more coming your way.